Hi everyone, today you're going to watch me model how to use this body paragraph outline. So what we're going to be doing is looking at the topic of shopping, which is what we talked about a few weeks ago, just a universal topic that everyone is familiar with. And you can see I have my thesis statement at the very top. Shopping can be very favorable because it can cause people's emotions to improve. I have my topic is shopping. Very favorable is my opinion because it can cause people's emotions to improve is the reason why the reader should care. Remember, that section should be debatable. I've also included in this small section my works cited entry. This is the actual website that I received and found proof from to support my thesis statement. So again, this should be on a separate piece of paper, but I wanted to show you what my works cited entry is because that's what you're going to be seeing in my in-text citation. Let's take a look at this organizational outline. For your body paragraph, your first sentence should be your topic sentence with a transition. This tells the reader the upcoming conversation is changing. Please do not write, "This is what I'm going to write about." Just go ahead and start communicating your paper. My first topic sentence is, I like to think that shopping can help improve one's overall mental state. That's going to introduce to the reader what I'm going to talk about and how I'm going to prove my thesis. My next sentence is going to kind of provide a context. What's going on before my quote? And it can be 1 to 2 sentences. That next sentence is, of course, different factors such as financial and transportation issues can be a problem. But if not, then shopping can be positive. So now I'm going to introduce my fact or my piece of data, my proof. Then I'm going to add my quote right now or paraphrase it from my source. Remember, we have to learn correct citations, and so we'll talk about that, and I'm giving you some examples. My first piece of proof is, according to the website Baseline of Health Foundation, it states, if your motivation is to buy something is just because you want it, chances are you'll truly enjoy the item and increase your overall happiness. Because my works cited entry does not have an author, I'm using the first 3 words of the title. So if you take a look at what's in my parentheses, the positive side is in quotations and it's out of paragraph 5. And then remember, that's where you end your punctuation from that sentence. My next sentence after the quote is explaining why this quote supports my thesis statement. Please don't write, "This supports my thesis," because you can just explain it. And remember, don't explain the quote, explain why you chose it to support your thesis. So here it is. So if one focuses on shopping, on the shopping experience, and purchases out of desire, the act can be beneficial on improving one's emotions. Remember, that's what I'm trying to prove. Now I'm going to introduce a second fact, which is what you will need to do for your body paragraph. I'm going to enter a transition sentence with a topic. And then my next transition statement is, another aspect of shopping is the social aspect. Now I'm going to introduce the context, what's going on. When one has social interaction with others when shopping, it can also help increase someone's mood. So I'm now going to prove that statement. Here it is. The article, same source, the positive side of shopping, also suggests that any kind of social interaction can increase our satisfaction in life. I'm going to tell the reader I got that from paragraph 6 and then end with a period. Because I have the title in the sentence, I don't need to repeat it in my parentheses. Now I'm going to explain why the quote supports my thesis. Usually, many people are at the stores, so being open to interacting with others can help improve one's overall outlook on life. So now I've completed this outline. So then what I'm going to do is copy and paste all of my sentences, starting at the top one, down in the order of how they were written to have my entire body paragraph at the bottom section. That is a beautifully organized body paragraph, and I hope that helps you. Thank you.